Welcome to CG Money 24/7. Today we're diving into Solana, a blockchain that's making serious waves in the crypto world. Solana stands out for its speed, low costs, and innovative technology, attracting developers, investors, and users looking for a better blockchain experience. This isn't financial advice, just an educational look at what makes Solana unique. Imagine digital transactions happening almost instantly, with fees so low they're barely noticeable. Solana was built for high performance, handling huge volumes of transactions at lightning speed. We'll break down what Solana is, how it works, and why it's become so popular. We'll cover the basics of blockchain, Solana's unique tech like proof of history, and the real benefits for users. We'll also look at the risks and challenges, so you get the full picture. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation for understanding Solana's role in the future of digital currency. Ready to explore one of the most talked about projects in crypto? Let's get started. Here's your beginner's guide to Solana. Let's start with the basics. What is Solana? Solana is a blockchain, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but designed for speed and efficiency. It solves the problems of slow transactions and high fees that plague older blockchains. Solana's main goal is to support thousands of decentralized applications, dApps, without slowing down or getting expensive. These dApps range from games to financial platforms, all built on Solana's powerful infrastructure. Launched in 2020 by Anatoly Yakovenko, Solana was inspired by principles from fast wireless networks. The result? A blockchain that can scale for global use, handling massive numbers of users and transactions. Solana isn't owned by any single entity, it's maintained by a global network of participants. Its performance rivals major payment processors, making it a top choice for developers. This has fueled a thriving ecosystem and rapid growth. Solana is quickly becoming a go-to platform for next-generation blockchain applications. Solana's speed comes from its unique proof of history, or POH. Unlike other blockchains, POH timestamps every transaction, creating a universal order before they hit the network. This lets Solana process thousands of transactions in parallel, not one at a time. Combined with proof of stake, Solana gets both speed and security. Validators stake their tokens to secure the network and earn rewards, using far less energy than Bitcoin. Solana also uses Turbine to break data into small packets for faster transmission, and Sea-Level for parallel smart contract processing. All these innovations work together, making Solana one of the fastest and most scalable blockchains out there. It's built for mainstream use, ready to handle everything from finance to gaming. That's the tech edge that sets Solana apart. Let's see why users and developers are flocking to it. Solana's real-world benefits are clear. Ultra-low fees and blazing speed. On Solana, transaction fees are just fractions of a cent, making it perfect for micropayments and high-frequency apps. Transactions confirm in under half a second, so users get instant results. This user-friendly experience is a huge draw for developers. Solana's ecosystem is booming, with projects from DeFi to NFTs and gaming. The more apps built, the more users join, creating a powerful network effect. Scalability is another big win. Solana can handle tens of thousands of transactions per second, rivaling giants like Visa. Businesses and developers trust that Solana can grow with them. That's why Solana is quickly becoming a favorite for next-gen blockchain projects. Its architecture is built for the future. Solana isn't perfect. Network stability has been a major issue. Past outages, often from overwhelming transaction loads, raised concerns about reliability. While stability has improved, it's still a point of caution. Decentralization is another challenge. Running a validator requires expensive hardware, which could limit who controls the network. Critics say Solana isn't as decentralized as Ethereum, but the community is working to improve this. Competition is fierce, with many Ethereum killers and Ethereum itself constantly evolving. Solana must keep innovating to stay ahead. Like all crypto, Solana faces market volatility and regulatory uncertainty. These risks are real, and anyone involved should stay informed. Navigating these challenges is key to Solana's long-term success. Ethereum is the original smart contract platform, but its popularity has led to slow speeds and high fees. Solana was built to fix these issues, prioritizing speed and scalability. Solana can handle thousands of transactions per second for pennies, while Ethereum's mainnet is much slower and more expensive. Ethereum is more decentralized and battle-tested, but Solana's unique proof of history and single-chain design set it apart. Ethereum is evolving with Layer 2 solutions, but Solana's focus is on a fast, unified network. Solana also competes with Avalanche, Cardano, and BNB Chain, each with their own strengths. In this crowded field, Solana's edge is its speed, scalability, and innovative tech. The competition is tough, but Solana's approach is unique. That's why it's a top contender in the next wave of blockchain platforms. Looking ahead, Solana's future is promising but challenging. The focus is on boosting network stability and decentralization, with upgrades like FireDancer on the horizon. New consumer apps and protocols like Solana Pay and DePIN are testing whether Solana can go mainstream. Integration with traditional tech like the Solana Mobile Saga phone shows a push for user-friendly crypto experiences. Success depends on balancing speed with security and decentralization. If Solana keeps innovating and growing its ecosystem, it could become a pillar of the next internet era. The journey won't be easy, but Solana's story is one of the most exciting in crypto. Stay tuned, this is just the beginning.